please comment and share your IT dream IT certification on there, and maybe we can talk it together, right? Yes. Someone want to get PMP or AWS certification? Great, just go for it. It sounds good, and you can choose SPOTO PMP course and study materials to start learning. Hello, Adeline. Hello, to see you guys in here. So, in the beginning, new month of May, you may have the dream to, wow, PMP, yes, PMP course is so excellent. Yes. So, welcome to back to today's topic. We are huge surprise for PMP and cloud cybersecurity practice test. And today, you will all give the lowest price in here. So please stay tuned and don't forget to interact with us. Leave your comment and ask any questions about today's topic. You will have the opportunity to win free training course and free ebook and also the crazy discount for you guys. Okay, so let's begin. First, we can see there is the timeline of today's schedule. The first part is introduction of our company's motto, and the second part is top paying IT certs, and the third part is why get certified in project management, cloud cybersecurity, and the last part is how to get it. Okay, so let's talk it one by one. So the first is the introduction of our SPOTO, right? Let's have a look together. We can see we founded in 2003 and now is 2022. So actually we already have 19 years, right? 19 years, nearly 20 years is so long history here. So we have so many experience in IT certification and provided sure short pass material and practice test. Yes, when can we start demo? Please wait a moment. We will do the test as soon as possible. Please stay tuned. And over the past 19 years, we can see we have so many experience in here. And we service in more than 152 countries and regions, launched over 300 products. So we have millions have learners in the worldwide, as you can see. It's so large part. And the most of showing of thing is that 2,200 CCI holders all come from SPOTO. So in other words, 10% CCI holders are all from SPOTO. It's real amazing, as you can see this date is so amazing for you guys, right? So why we are so popular in the past 19 years and why our students choose SPOTO, can you guess what? If you have your reason, you can comment on our comment zone and let me have a look and we can interact together. Okay, so I see you answered yes. Just yes. We will do the demo test after about 10 minutes, so you can stay tuned and wait for hours. But we can see now we come back to this page. We have the experienced expert teams, right? Yes, so we have many tutors in SPOTO and they're so specialized on many kinds of certification and we are expanding the production line from CSCA to AWS and from PMI to ITIL, covering networking and project management, cybersecurity and cloud. They have their own idea to have their students understand the next part, teaching them how to be better and how to answer the question simply and effectively. Yes. So due to we professional tutors and the team, we get a highly recommended in reviews, and that's why we can strengthen our team in the past 19 years. Yes, we are so many products. You can see CSCA Project Management Institute and ISACA, and you can see this is highly recommended in reviews who just study in SPOTO and give us and write down to us. So they said we are so professional and had my doubts about SPOTO, and after he take he test received his dumb question for the first time passed. As we only want to our students and we are the same goal is to pass your exam and help you get your IT certification. And next part we can see their Thai best IT certificates for high paying jobs in 2022. We can see the number one is Google certified professional cloud architect. We can see, oh wow, I think it's a so high salary, right? It's a master. Oh wow, it's 1,017,500 and the 17, 16, 1. Wow, I think it's so high. And followed by AWS and the CISM and the CRISC and the PMP and so on, right? So do you have any idea to get their certifications? So the best IT certifications in 2022, we have the conclusion is the number one is project management, and the number two is cloud computing, and the number three is cybersecurity, like CISM and the CISM, CRISC and the CISSP. Maybe I think there are too many parts to get it right, and if you don't have idea which one you need to take, please follow us and stay tuned. And you can share the broadcast for your guys and for your friends and relatives who need it. Join us together. Maybe you will get the answer from today. Okay, so let's do a test together. Are you ready? I see who want to take the test. Here the test is coming. Please follow. Please follow. Are you ready? Give you some minutes to do the ready. Okay. Yes, we come to the most exciting parts, the practice test together and to assess your knowledge and skills. Please pay attention to this part, because if you really want to get the high salary and your IT certification, this test is your really made during the real exam. So please follow me carefully. Are you ready? Let's try it together and I will show you correct answers and the explanation to help you understand the question well. Okay, so today we prepared 5 questions and if you can do all questions right, maybe you can get today's surprise for you guys. So can't wait to see it. Let's move to the quiz part. So question 1 is which of the following refers to applications and systems that are used within an organization without consent or approval? The choice A is Shodan IT and the choice B is OSIMT and the C is Dark Web and choice D is Inside the rules. Okay, I will show you some minutes. Please think about the answer and write down on the comment zone. Let me have a look. Who will be the number one to the question right? Okay, time's up. Let's show the answers. The correct answer is A. Did you get right? Okay, did you get right? Anybody? Yes, we have AWS. Please stay tuned and we'll show you later. The down test is coming. Hello. Donald, are you still here? You can follow us to do the test. Okay, so let's go to the second question. The second question is which of the following would best identify and remain a date loss event in an enterprise using third-party and web-based service and file-sharing platforms? And there's four choice to choose. Please read it carefully and write down your answers. I will give you some minutes to do it. Yes, the correct answer is B. Did you get it? Did you get it? And if you have some doubts about today's question, maybe you can join us. Yes, we have 19 years. It's so long in IT certification. So the correct answer is D. And the next question is which of the following elements minimize end user disruption and is most likely to be used to access the expect of any database migration or major system changes by using the final version of the code. Also, I will show you some minutes. Please do it and write down your answers in our comment zone. If you have your answer, you may write down on here and maybe we can show it together. Maybe we can discuss it together and maybe someone have different opinion of it, we can discuss it together. And if you have any doubts about today's question or the real test, you can join us group and you can write down and our admin will send you the explanation as soon as possible. Yeah. So let me show you the right answer in here. This question's right answer is ta-da! The correct answer is B, test. Did you get it? Did you did it right? Did you choose right? Congrats to you if you did right. And we still have two questions. Come on there, come on. If you can answer all 5 questions and answer all right, you can get today's extra bonus. Go for it. You can get the free ebook or free course in today's, and this is our bonus for you. You can interact with us. It's a surprise for you guys. Okay, so come to the next. The number 4 question is which of the following technique computers is best suited for the detection and prevention of buffering overflows on hearths? Okay, there are also four choice in here. You may have some minutes to write down your answers and write down on our comment zone. Let's us comment together. Yes, I see some people choose right, but some people choose different answers. It's okay. It's okay. If you choose some wrong answers, maybe you are not well about this question, just join together and you may write down your doubts in the comment zone. Our admin will send you the explanation and tell you how to it. And if next time you meet the song question or the song styles question, you may have idea to know how to deal with it. Yes, okay, time's up. Let's show the right answer. This question's correct answer is C, CEDR. Did you choose it right? Yes, I see. Donald and David choose different answers. Yes, it's okay if you have some doubts about this question, just tell us and we can discuss it together and our admin will send you the group link. You can discuss with many people. They're all studies in the SY0-601 test because it's the real test for the exam. So if you want to get the CAPTIA exam, maybe you will meet the question during your exam. Yes. So next question is, wow, it's so long question. Which of the following best explains the difference between a date owner and a date composer? Yes, we can see it's A, B, C, D. Four choice in here, and this part will give you 1 minute. Yes, 1 minute is enough to think about your question and write down on our comment zone. Let's go. Yes, please. Yes, I see many guys choose different answers. A, B, D. Yes, C. Yes, many different opinions. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Take it easy just to do a to test your guys' knowledge of the question. So it's okay. Just if you have some doubts, you can join us. Yes. Okay, time's up. Let's show the right answer. These questions, right answer is B. While the date owner is responsible for determining how the date may be used, while the date passer is responsible for implementing the protection to the date. Right, wow, I think this question is a little difficult, but it's okay if you have any doubts and you want to get your certification, you can choose SPOTO and we will all give you the explanation and the answers, show you right answers. Okay, so let's have look the comment zone. If somebody or question did right, you can contact our admin to get your actual bonus and you will get free ebook or some discount for today. It's so experience for today. Yes, congrats to David. You did it right and you did good job. You choose a right answer. Did you good? Okay, so come to the next part. So next part, we are going to talk about PMP certification. Yes, but how many people know PMP certification? And do you guys know the demand huge for? Yes. Wow, okay, again, choose right answer. Yes, it's good. So come back to here, the PMP certification. Do you guys know the demand huge for PMP holders? As a PMP holder, I really want to introduce the advantage of your guys. Look, the project management professional is the world's leader project management certification, now including predictive, agile, and hybrid approaches. So the PMP provides project leadership, experience, and expertise in any way of working. Yes, so it sounds great, right? So we can see the huge demand for the project professional. We can see the project management oriented includes curricula in project-based industries across the world is become increasing by increasing. We can see in 2019 years is about 90 million, but comes to 2013 it comes to 102 million people. It's a lot part, right? It's so large part. So about this picture we can see it's about 2.3 million annual job openings for PMP certification. So in other words, you just to get your PMP certification means you can get more and huge huge jobs for you guys. Yes, please wait a moment. Let me do some and come to next page. We can see that is PMP holder earning power, and we can see the Britain petition is among all countries surveyed. The median salary for project professional with a PMP is 25% higher than those without PMP certification. It means you can get the chance to get high salary than those without PMP certification. So right, yes, just to get your PMP certification, you will get your high salary and you will get more chance to get a new job. And we can also see that the sustainable benefits is over time can bolster earning power and crossing a green US media salaries based on number of years of having a PMP. So still have some difficulty in getting certified, right? Maybe someone needs PMP have so many advantages, but how did I get it? And how to start it? And I have no way to start. right? So don't worry, maybe you can have no ideas to start and you're busy with your work, not have so time to prepare the protection, and maybe it's hard to pass PMP. Yes, I know it sounds a little difficult, but please follow us today. You will get some surprise in here, and you can save all questions in SPOTO. Yes, okay, so are you ready? Okay, so the first reason is how much time do I need to prepare for my PMP exam? Most people said it must over 3 months. 3 months? Did you think it's too long period, right? But in total, I can have the confidence to tell you guys, you just need 14 days to 1 month. It's a short part in here. It's a short days in here. You can pass your exam as soon as possible. And the next is 3 steps to become a PMP. The step 1 is confer you eligible, and step 2 is apply to take your exam. Actually, this part maybe will spend 5 days. And the step 3 is book and take PMP exam. Okay, so when we comes to it, please pay attention to the step 1. First, you have four needs. The first is you must have 4-year degree, and the second is you must have 6 months leader project, and the next is 5 hours of project management education or training or CIPM certification. Maybe someone will say, oh, all this maybe I don't have, so I have no idea to get the PMP certification. Don't worry there. If you really want to get PMP and want to become PMP, just join SPOTO and we can help you save the certain 6 months leading projects and 35 hours of project management. We can help you save it, so don't worry about it. So how to get certified with SPOTO? We can see there's step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 8. 8 is all 8 steps in here. But in SPOTO, you just begin SPOTO training and then you can do practice test. Finally, it's also 3 parts. The first is training and the test. Then you can get you certified. It's so easy, sounds right. But just join us, and we still have exam praxis service. So what is means praxis service? Praxis service is you just need to sit in front of your PC, and our tutor will help you to do the exam. It sounds more easy for you guys to get, but honestly, I want to say is practice makes perfect. So please, whatever and what course you choose, just remember to practice by yourself. Yes, just want to practice and you can practice well in SPOTO. Yes, okay, so next to the page. Why SPOTO PMP training course? Why choose SPOTO? Yes, why choose SPOTO? Can you give me some answer? You can write down your comment on our comment soon. Why choose SPOTO? Do you have any ideas? Just here, just heard SPOTO is doing well in the IT certification or something else. I will show you some reasons. The first is high pass rate, and the second is why designer the course with 35 PDU, and the next is flexible learning, because you can study in SPOTO with in 24 hours. 24 hours, you can start anytime, anywhere. Just choose your flexible time, so it's great for you can choose, right? Okay, so they're recommended by top YouTube influencers, and you can see this video in YouTube and try to listen why they choose photo and get PMP certification. Yes, and we can see this man is our PMP PMP tutor and is also the delivering real world scenarios and instructors. We can see he is a PMP, SMC, and ITIL certified experienced IT professional with over 20 years. Yeah, he has so long history do this part, and is also our tutors in SPOTO. So if you choose SPOTO, and you can study from here. Yes, it sounds great. So today we'll prepared three packages for you guys if you want to get PMP certification. The first is training basic package, and the second is training pro package, and the last one is training full package. I will show you guys one by one. Let's have a look together. Okay, so the first is PMP training basic package. We can see what including in the basic package. The first is learn from experienced PMP certified trainers, and the second is get access to digital materials from PNI, and the third is includes one mock test online. Yes, but today, can you guess what surprise price? What surprise price you can get in today's live sale? Let's have a look. It's only $29.99 in here. Usually maybe you will need to have to pay $200. So today is a big discount for you guys. Really big discount. So if you need the basic package for PMP, just to choose today's. And the second is our training pro package, and today we'll have get the $59.99 only with 13.5 PDU, and as usual maybe we'll pay $300. So today is also a big discount for you guys. And please pay attention to what including pro package. The first is learn from experienced PMP certified trainers, and the second is earn 35 contact hours by completing the program, and the third is includes one mock test online. Please make the difference between pro package and basic package, because pro package includes 35 contact hours, but the basic package didn't have this one, so please clear this one. Okay, so next is our training full package. Training full package today's we including one-to-one PMP application service and 35 PDUs included, and also have certified tutor with rich PMP experience. Wow, it's so great. It means you can have the tutor's idea to get the PMP experiences. So also today's surprise price for you guys is just only 200 there. 200, and today you can save 300 in today's live sale. It's so great. So if you really want to get your PMP certification, don't miss today's surprise. Just order now and choose SPOTO. You will get your certification within 13 days and to 1 month. And if you can study well, you can get your certification as soon as possible. Yes, it sounds great. So how to get certified with SPOTO? We have the one-stop test. The first step is PMP training and then practice test. And then you can take your exam online, then get your certificate. And get your certification, it sounds easy, but if you just choose studying by yourself, the first step is enroll PMP course. Then you need to attend PMP course, prepare for it, and take the online exam, clear the exam, and receive certification, and enjoy 3-year membership and review certification. So don't wait. If you really want to get your PMP certification, just join us today in here. Just to join us today in here, can I know who you guys are still waiting for PMP training and waiting for PMP discount? Here we come. Okay, comes to the next part. Why choose SPOTO? Why choose SPOTO? Just because SPOTO have some exceptionalities and have some professional tutors, right? Now I will show you 3 reasons. The first is we have the 100% verified and question and answers, we have the confidence to make sure everyone can study in SPOTO and you can pass your exam and get a certification. And the second reason is we have 7 days pass with minimal time, narrow the scope of exam count. You can take your exam and get your certification within 7 days. And beside this, we also have 24/7 professional support. Just if you have any questions and you have any doubts about your question, you can ping us on your study group, and tutor will come here to help you save your question as soon as possible. It sounds great, right? And there's and I think the most interesting is you can study this photo with any time and anywhere. So it's very flexible time for you to study. Yes. So look at this. This is some scholarship for you guys. We can see, wow, we have been updated to generate pass every day. Pass every day. You can see it May 13th and May 4th and May 5th and May 6th. Wow, every day we have students to pass the PMP exam. It's so great. Don't wait to join us together in here. And if you join us today, means you are get your certification next step and within 7 days enough. It's so great. So don't wait to lose today's opportunity and join us today. Next part, we can see get certified with SPOTO PMP True Short Dumps. We can have a look. SPOTO and others. SPOTO's success rate is 100%, but others maybe is 19%. And wow, we average pass day is 7 days. It means you just need 7 days. You can get your IT certification. It's so wonderful. So why don't choose SPOTO? You just choose wait 7 days, then you can get your IT certification. And then when you get your IT certification, you may have more choice to get a more better job, and you will get the high salary, and you can create a better future for your guys and for your family. So why don't choose SPOTO? So actually, we can see we have accurate answers tested by past candidate and up-to-date dump and feedbacks, and professional tutor supporter anytime, anywhere, and access within 30 minutes after purchase. And we also have 24/7 support with 30-minute response. Fewer questions and high quality deserves good price, isn't it? Because time is money. So why don't choose SPOTO? Please choose SPOTO and join us together. And the real exam is 118 questions, but SPOTO there are only 100 plus questions. But if you study in others, maybe you will need to study 2,000 plus questions. So I think if I need to study 2,000 questions, maybe I need to take 1 to 2 months to study. But if I just choose SPOTO, just only learn the 200 questions, maybe I think I can learn it as soon as possible, right? Just studying well in the dump, and then I will going to take my exam and I will get my IT certification. So it's real sounds great. It's real great. So please choose us right now. So PMP practice test live sale price today for you guys. I will show you some surprise discount. We can see the Dump Pro package is 200 questions in Dump. Usually maybe you need to 700, but today you just pay $420 in here. Is only for today's sale, and you can save $108 in here. Why don't choose SPOTO and why don't choose in the today's live sale? And the PMP Dump basic package. Basic package maybe I think is a little difficult because it have 800 questions in here. So today you will get $300 to get the basic package. So as fun as I think, if you really want to get IT certification for PMP, just to choose Pro package, because I think Pro package for you guys, you can study 7 days. Oh, I think it's a real good for you guys. Just 7 days, you can get your PMP certification. It's so great. Please choose Pro package. It's just $420 today. Why don't you choose Pro package, right? It's only 200 questions in here. Yes, would you? Yes, we will provide the PMP materials for you guys if you just are paying and join SPOTO, and please send the group link for them and you can join us together. Okay, so let's come to the next part. We still have the proxy service live sale press. So what is main proxy service? Do you guys have idea about it? What is proxy service? Maybe I can explain. Proxy service is means like today I just sit in front of my PC and the tutor will help you take the exam. You just need to sit and pretend I'm doing the test. Then all things will be fun and tutor will help you get the exam and you will get the certification, and we make sure 100% pass guaranteed and no regular study and fast pass in one first try and one-to-one service spot. Tutor will come to help you pass your exam and take your exam one-to-one. It's so great. Yes, it's so great. It means you don't need to spend any time to prepare for the practice. Tutor will help you do everything. To do everything is so great. So today's, maybe I think it's a little expensive in Europe price. It's maybe need 800, a little expensive, right? But today, let me have a look what discount will show it in today's live sale. In today's, wow, only $520 in here. $520. Wow. Do you guys know what does it mean? $520 in Chinese. Do you guys have idea about it? $520 in Chinese. I think it's a romantic date, yes, because it means I love you in Chinese. So if you really have, yes, thanks for your admirable, yes. So today's we can see it's just $520 in today's live sale, and this date is so romantic because it shows I love you in Chinese. Yeah, so if you guys need the proxy service is just you didn't do anything, just to sit in front of your PC and then tutor will help you to take your exam and you can pass your exam. Yes, I love you. Yes, it's a romantic, right? I love you. Yes, okay. So if you want to proxy service, you can choose our today's photo and you can choose today order now because today's live sale is so discount, it's so big discount for you guys. So other top project management certifications, we can see the PGMP is only 189 questions and answers, and you will have 10 days access and also the 24/7 service support. And today's the PGMP's price is usually you will need to pay 700, but today let me have a look what discount for you guys. It's only, oh my god, it's 400. It's $420 is the lowest live sale price. And yes, if you want to take the PGMP, please write down your comment on the comment zone, and please our admin please send the link for you guys if you need the PGMP. And the next one is ITIL V4 foundation, it's only 300 questions and answers, and you will have 7-day access and still have the 24/7 service support. And usually the price is 250, but today's you will get what surprise discount for you guys. Let me have a look. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, it's just 100. Just 100. You can get the ITIL V4. And you can get the dump and only 300 questions in our dump, and you can study there the 300 dumps and then take your exam, get your certification. It's so great. And besides this, today's if you just buy one dump, you will get one ebook for free there. And I think ebook is so useful when you need it because you can check your ebook to get more knowledge, right? Okay, so how and this is ACP dump and Prince 2 foundation exam service, and this one is have 100 pass ACP. 100 pass guaranteed, so dear, don't wait to order now if you need the ACP certification. And in SPOTO dumps, it's only 107 questions and answers, and you will get 10 days to exercise, and you can study at any time and anyway, and you can have the 24/7 service support. And beside this, maybe usually you will buy the ACP spend 500 price, but today let me have a look. Wow, you just need to $315. It's the lowest price in today's live sale. So if you need it, you can tell our enemy. So tell them, I am Sitara's friend and I come from the live sale, and please give me the lowest price for today's live sale. Yes, tell them you are Sitara's friends and get the lowest price. And the Prince 2 exam service we can say is also 100% pass guaranteed and no regular study and fast pace in one first, and you also have the one-to-one service support. Yes, so usually maybe the price is need to spend $700, but today let's have a look what lowest price we can give you. Are you ready to have the answer? Let's go. Wow, you can just take the $415 in today's live sale. So why don't you choose SPOTO? If you need the ACP IT certification, you just need to spend $415, then you can get your ACP IT certification. Yes, so how to order? I will show some step. The step 1 is register. First is to tap your email, and then you will get a code from your email after click send, and then choose order buy now. And step 3 is pay. You can choose PayPal or OnPay. You need to choose your PayPal ways to pay payment. And I will show you how to order. Please look when you open the link. Yes, the link. Our admin said the link. Then you can choose. Buy now. Choose buy now. Then next step, we come to this page. Then choose PayPal or OnPay to finish your pay. Then once we received your payment, we will send you and connect to you as soon as possible within 30 minutes. Then you can get your material and can reading to study. And if you think maybe at that moment I don't want to study, can I study later? Yes, of course, it's okay. Just tell us and we will send you to the material when you need it. It sounds great, right? And also comes back, we can see. Wow, time goes fast. We are come to the step 3, why get certified in project management and cloud cybersecurity, and why we can see cloud and container technology skills are most in demand by hiring managers. Yes, we can see that the 2021 hottest skill test sets is while cloud and container technologies is occupied 14.6%. Why is so high? And we can see this the cloud and container technologies is about 14.1% during in the 2021. Yes, so we can see the is a mainly is a large demand for the cloud and the cybersecurity. So cloud professionals are in high demand. Yes, we can see according to this part, we can see in 2019 just there gets a salary is maybe it's not so high, but comes to the 2024, we can see wow, it's many difference, right? So if you want to get your high salary, maybe you can choose cloud and cybersecurity because it's a right higher demand for this because and also the demand is increasing year by year, and we also can see that there is a highly paid. We can see the cloud allocated one is 100 is 1,014,5,000 and 820 is so highly paid. So just try to think about if I can get the so high paid every month, what kind of my life will be like? And what kind of your life will be like? We also know high salary means high life. Yes, high salary means you can get high salary life. It's so great. Maybe you can get more gifts for your family and you can get a better life and you can get a better future. So cloud certification could help you land a job. We can see it as percentage of employers. Prioritizing hiring of certified professionals, we can see in 2018 there are 14.7%, but it comes to 2021 is 18.8%. It's increasing over 3 years and increasing year by year. It's so great. Capture TIA network A plus. Yes, we have. Please hold on and stay tuned. We will share you it later. Okay. So difficulty in getting certified is have letting new job and need certification in short time because I know many people maybe are busy in their work and they don't have enough time to prepare the exam. So now, please choose SPOTO. All of this question will be saved in SPOTO. Yes, let me show you guys. AWS certifications have professional, associate, and professional. Okay, so show me one by one. The first is associated SAA2C 02, we can say this great teacher helps organizations identify and developing talent with critical skills for employment, cloud initiatives, and earning AWS certified solutions educated and associate validates the ability to design and implement distributed system on AWS. And the next is a and the next one is AWS certified SecOps administration and associated SOA2C02, and we can see is the demonstrated experience deploying and managing and operating workloads on AWS. And the next one is DVA2C01 is associated, right? And associated validates the ability to write and deploying cloud-based applications. 82 questions and answers in dump now, and we have the competence to 100% accelerated. And today you just need to pay $120 in today. You can get the SAA2C02 materials as soon as possible, and you can get your IT certification within 7 days if you can study well in our dump. So hurry up. Don't miss today's prize to get your IT certification, and please can create a better future with SPOTO and with your guys together, right? So hurry up, please hurry, and why choose SPOTO? Or there the three answers. The first is we have the confidence to have the 100% pass guaranteed, and the second is you can pass with minimal time, just need 7 days. And the third question is we provided 24/7 support, professional support. So if you have any doubts, you can ping us and anytime and anywhere, and tutor will come here to help you as soon as possible. Okay, so 3 steps to get certified. The first is to order. First, you can open the link. Which link? Our admin said it to you. Open the link. Yes, open the link and then come to the page and choose buy now. Then you will come to this page. You can choose PayPal or All-in-Pay to finish your done. Then test go on. Click go on. Then we received your payment. We will send your material as soon as possible. Yes, we will send you as soon as possible. Then you can study it by yourself as soon as possible, right? How to order, register, and order and pay. You can choose pay or All-in-Pay to finish your payment. Once we receive your payment, we will receive your material as soon as possible within 30 minutes, and you can start early. And if you don't want to start early in today, you can tell us and we will send you when you need it. Yes, it's so flexible, right? Just you can save your time. Just when you want to study, you can open it to study. Yes. So the next is AWS Certified Solution Educated Professional SAP2C01. And we can see professional validates the ability to design, deploy, and evaluate application on AWS within device and complex requirements. And the next one is we can see is engineer professional DOP2C01, and professional validates the ability to automate the testing and the deployment of AWS infrastructure and applications. And the next will show you the surprise discount for you guys. We can see DOP and C01 and SAP to C01 dumps all have 300 questions in our dump, and you will have 7-day flexible access. And also we have the confidence to say we have 100% pass guaranteed. And in today's, please pay attention, today's DOP to C01 and SAP to C01, you only spend $220 and you can get it. And for CIF to C01 exam service, you need to pay $215. Wow, we can see their usual price is maybe so high. Yes, it needs $400, but today you can get the bonus because you are Sitara's friends in here, right? So you just tell them, hello, I'm Sitara's friends, so please, comes from the live sale, but the live sale is just for today. So if you need it, please order now and order as soon as possible, then you will get the more discount for you guys. Okay, so come to the next page. Is our Microsoft certified. We can say it's our Microsoft certified Azure and Microsoft 316.5 certified. So what is this? Is Azure practice test price. So the first is AZ500. AZ500 is now have 200 plus questions in dump, and we also have the 100% pass guaranteed. And today's surprise discount for you guys is $120. And for AZ104 and AZ900, today you will get the price for, wow, it's so amazing. You just need 100 for today, so don't wait. If you need the IT certification, just choose SPOTO, because SPOTO have 100% pass guaranteed, and we have 24/7 professional supporter, right? Yes, it's so great, so great. and we can see their MS900 and MS500 and 700, 100 and 101 and MD100 and MD101. Usually the price is need 120, but today just need $100. And also they're all just 200 plus questions in our dump. Then means you can studying well within 1 or 2 days you can finish them, then you can take your exam online, then you can pass your exam. It's so great. So please choose us today. Okay, so comes to the next part is our cybersecurity professional are in high demand. We can see that US have almost wow, is so many job openings in cybersecurity. Are you still think this one national level is so high? It means just you get the certification and then you will have the job opportunities. So top cybersecurity job titles and their average salaries. We can see the number one is cybersecurity analyst and the second is cybersecurity consultant. And follow, we can see they all have so high salary, right? So we can see cybersecurity certification could help you land a job, and the cybersecurity position that requires at least one certification, and it's 59% in here. So you have so many opportunity to get a new job, to get a job. So why don't you choose to be one member of there? So we can see this part, certification holders, and without affiliates requesting certification, we can see the salary is different, right? And after TIA Security Plus, they get the high salary. It's the most high salary, right? Yes, so we can see CISA and CISM and Security Plus and CEH, they all have the high salary and have the large demand. Okay, so let's have a look one by one. The first is Capital TIA Security Plus, and then is our, we can see, can help you in a role such as system administrator and help you desk manage. It means you just get the Capital TIA Security Plus certification, then you can to be a systems administrator and help desk manage, and we can see they all have so high paid. And so in today's live sale, you will get the discount, the surprise discount for you guys. Usually you may need to spend 300 price, but today it's just only ta-da! Wow, $107 and $17 in here. And you can see this is our past report proof. It's just in May 5th. Wow, May 5th, and someone passed their exam and get their certification. It's so great. So also, if you buy the dump, you will get an ebook for free there. Okay, so come to the next page is Capital TIA A Plus, and we can see there are two exams is 220 to 1001, and the second exam is 220 to 2002, and please make difference from these two exams is different. And we can see today's live sale, you will get the price is so surprised. Maybe I think today is crazy about the price because you just need to spend $120 for today. Wow, it's so great, dear. So please don't miss today's surprise. Just order now and join SPOTO together. So the next one is CEH. We can see CEH salary is wow, every year is so high, and you can earn our $15. It's so high, right? So CEH practice test live sale price today in our SPOTO live sale, you may enjoy the price for $317 in here, but in New York you may need to spend $500 price. So today you can save $170 in here, and you can see this is our past report proof. You can see this guy just passed this passed his exam on April 24th. So if you like he choose SPOTO, you may maybe next month I will share you past report for you guys. Just get your certification as soon as possible, right? Okay, so certified information security management. The first is CISM, and if you get the CISM IT certification, then you will consider this certification for jobs like IT manager and information system security officer and information risk consultant. And we can also see they're so high salary, right? Okay, so come to the next page, CISA, and CISA we can see its organizations. Okay, sorry, is organizations information technology and business systems. And if you get CISA certification, then you can get this job. IT LDU managing and cybersecurity auditor and information security analyst. It's so high salary, right? Too. Okay, so how about CISC? CISC, we can see if you get CISC, then you can get the job like Chief Information Security Officer and Information Security Manager and Information Security Officer. And wow, let's have a look. Their salary is 117,821. It's so amazing. I can't believe my eyes. Why they can get so high salary in their life? And we can see there is a post report. We usually post every day. You can see this is CISA on May 8th and there is CISA on May 9th. Usually in SPOTO, we have students pass every day. If you choose SPOTO, you can become one member of them. Just you can create your better future in now. Yes, and you can get your more jobs and you will get high salary. Yes, SPOTO is your best choice. So if you carry a lift with CISA or CISM or CISC and certification, right? Okay, so in today's live sale, we can see this live sale price is, ta-da! Wow, it's so romantic, right? $520 in here. Also, we have the confidence to make sure you have 100% pass guaranteed and no regions starting and fast pass in one first try, and we still have one-to-one service support. It's so great. Just means you just sit in front of your PC, then tutor will help you to do it. Yes, it's so great. And the next one is PCMSE exam dumps. And PCMSE exam should be taken by anyone who wishes to demonstrate a deep understanding of Palo Alto Network's technologies, including customers who use Palo Alto Networkers products and value-added resellers, pre-sale system energies and system intergenerators and support staff. And we can see their PCMSA salary is so high and maybe $25 an hour is so high. And we can see PCMSE exam dumps live sale price for today, and please pay attention, is just $115 question in SPOTO, and you also have the 100% pass guaranteed. So the discount for you guys today is, ta-da! Wow, $115 in today. So please choose SPOTO now and join us now. Then you will get your PCMSE certification. Okay, so next there are 3 steps to get certified. So step 1 is payment, and step 2 is practice, and step 3 is passed. It's so easy, just 3 steps in today's. So if you choose SPOTO. Okay, so how to order? Let me show you guys how to order. Please wait. You can open the link. The admin said use the link. Then you choose buy now. Then you can come to this page. You can choose PayPal or All-in-Pay to finish your payment. Then once we receive your payment, we will help you arrange your material as soon as possible, and then you can begin to study. So come to the next part. There's a question, and their part is question and answers. Can I pass the IT exam with question and answers only? Yes, dear. You just need to study well in our dump question because all the question comes from the real exam. And the second is how can I know my product is the latest? Don't worry about this question, dear. Our tutor is so professional in this part, so we will make sure the material is the latest and any changes will inform you at once because you are our good customers and we have the same goal is to help you pass your exam to get your certification, right? And the dump ferment is only for BCE. And the next question is can I buy now and start the service later? Yes, of course, dear, you can choose buy now because today's live sales price is just for today, just for today. If you miss today's, maybe you will need to pay more money and you normally to pay it and you will miss the bonus for today's. And then just to tell us which day you want to start, then we will send you the materials as soon as possible. Yes. Okay. So that's all is that's today's live sale. So if you still have some doubts about today's live sale, you can join us today and get IT certified tomorrow. And thanks for joining me today. And this is Sitara. See you next time. Goodbye, dear. Goodbye.